Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Fundbox alternative for invoice financing. As a small business owner, I've been in a situation where you're waiting for a big client to pay, and your cash flow is suddenly tighter than you'd like. Fundbox is a well-known option, but I've found that it's always smart to have alternatives. My goal has always been to find the fastest, most flexible, and most transparent funding when I need to bridge that gap between invoicing and payment. Through my own experience and research, the clearest alternative for pure invoice financing is Bluevine. Here is why I landed on them as a top contender, focusing purely on invoice financing. Speed and limits. Bluevine offers lines of credit and invoice factoring. For their invoice financing, you can get a credit limit of up to $5 million, which is significantly higher than many competitors, including Fundbox's cap. More importantly, they're known for their speed. After the initial approval, which can be instant, you can get funds wired to your account on the same day for a small fee, or within 1 to 3 business days for free via ACH. This same-day funding option has been a lifesaver when I needed cash urgently. Cost structure. While Fundbox uses a variable fee based on a repayment term, Bluevine's cost for its line of credit start as a weekly rate, which can feel more transparent and predictable. For their invoice financing, they advance you a percentage of the invoice value, up to 90%, with a weekly factor rate. For me, knowing the fee structure up front without worrying about hidden interest or draw fees has made budgeting much easier. You need to look closely at the total cost of financing for your expected repayment timeline. The client interaction difference. This is a crucial point for me. Fundbox generally offers an invoice-based line of credit, where you still handle the collections from your client. Bluevine, however, focuses on invoice factoring, meaning they advance the cash and then manage the collection from your client. This is a subtle but major difference. If you want to maintain a direct relationship and handle all collections yourself, Fundbox's model is generally better. If you're comfortable letting the lender handle the collections, which can save you administrative time and stress, Bluevine's factoring model is a very strong fit. I found that outsourcing the collection process allowed me to focus more on generating new business. Who it's best for? I found that Bluevine is the best alternative for businesses that need a higher funding limit and are comfortable with the invoice factoring model where the lender manages collections. If you need a revolving line of credit that also supports high limits and quick access, they are a powerful, reliable competitor. The lesson I learned is that no single platform is a perfect fit for everyone. But if you're looking for a reliable, high-limit alternative to Fundbox for accelerating your cash flow, put Bluevine at the top of your list for a clear comparison. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.